Online ZA, your community for building multiple income streams online. So if you've watched any of my previous videos, you should know that I work as a website tester. I test games, apps, as well as websites. Now, in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys the resources that I use to test these games or apps or websites. I will be sharing with you guys all the websites that I use for basic website testing. In the future, I will share with you guys more advanced website testing sites, but we have to start somewhere. So let's get into what you will need to get started as a website tester. The first thing that you will need to get started as a website tester is a device. So this may be a laptop, a computer, or a smartphone. To test websites, some mobile apps as well as games, you may need a computer or a laptop. And you will also need to have a smartphone so that you may be able to test mobile apps and games. Some of you may say, well, I don't have a computer. Can I make use of my smartphone? Definitely. You can definitely make use of your smartphone, but do keep in mind that you may have limited tests because some of the tests will be for computers, for laptops, for websites. So having a laptop will enable you to make much more money than you would when you use just your smartphone. Second thing that you will need is a mic. You may use the built-in mic from your computer, or you may purchase a mic or headphones that come with a mic. Now be very careful with the type of headphones that you use. If you're using the earphones that come with your smartphone, keep in mind that sometimes those earphones cause a lot of static. So you may not hear it while you are testing, but as soon as the clip is with the creators of the website, they can hear a lot of static in what you're saying. They may not be able to make out what you're saying. So it's very important for you to make sure that your sound is perfect. Make sure that you're audible, your commentary is clear and concise. They can clearly hear what you're saying. Be open, give your opinion freely. That's what they want to hear. There are no right or wrong answers when you're testing the websites. So basically the creators of these websites just want to know if their app or their game or their website works in the way in which they created it to work in. So that's all that will be required from you. Another thing that you will also need is a PayPal account. Guys, having a PayPal account is extremely crucial if you're a freelance worker, online worker, because that's the only way that they can pay you. You may also need to have a Payoneer account, but not for any of the websites that I will be sharing with you guys today. All of the websites only require you to have a PayPal account. That is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can get more information on how you can make money online. I will see you in the next one. Okay, the first website that we have here is Userfeel. Userfeel.com. This is their landing page. As you scroll down, you will see more information on Userfeel.com. They have all their frequently asked questions there. But you can earn $10 per test. It says each test is 10 to 20 minutes long. There are some way shorter tests, guys. Keep that in mind. Sometimes the tests are not even 5 minutes long, but you can earn $10 for each test. As you scroll down here, there's more information on how they pay, how frequently they pay. All of that information is there. Keep in mind that you will be required to do a test, a mock test, in order for you to qualify as a tester for Userfeel.com. The second website that we have is userbrain.net. I will leave the link down below. It says sign up and download the Chrome extension. So Userbrain has a Chrome extension that will look something like this Grammarly icon. Every time there's a test, a 1 will pop up there in red. So that means there's a test available for you. It pays $3 per test. Now, guys, keep in mind that with UserBrain, the tests are so short and simple. The test can take anything from 5 to 15 minutes long, and you will be required to reach the threshold of $12 in order for you to make a withdrawal. It's very easy to apply. You just enter all your details on there. You will then receive an email, and in that email there will be a link for you to begin the test and start the application process with a mock test. This is the third website that we have on today's list. This is usertesting.com. Now, this website is the GOAT. This is one of my very favorite websites, my tried and trusted ones. User testing pays $10 per test. The test can last anything from 10 to 20 minutes. You can also get video interviews. Those will pay $30 per test. The application for user testing is quite similar to all the others. You just enter your email address. This is their landing page. You enter the email address and click on apply. Then you go to your email and you will find an email there with a link to the test and also a link for you to download the software onto your computer and start testing as a tester for usertesting.com. Our third website that we have is Testawork. Testawork offers website testing jobs. It's a freelancing website. The test pay varies per test, so you don't get the same pay for all the tests. It depends on what the scope of the test is. With Testawork, most of the time they are usually testing on Facebook, so you will be required to have a Facebook account. You will actually need to put in a link to your Facebook account in order for you to start working as a tester for Testawork. A lot of the work that they have is usually on Facebook. All the tests that I've done personally were on Facebook, so I'm figuring it's all on Facebook, but it is open worldwide. And now the final website for today is Testing Time. Testing Time is based in Europe, so they pay in euros. And all you will need to do is enter your email, your name, your first name, as well as your email address. They will also send you a link where you will be able to download the app or the software onto your computer and begin testing websites with testingtime.com. Testingtime.com usually has a lot of tests, but the downfall for me so far has been the time when I do get the tests. The time zones are not matching, so when I wake up the test is gone, but I did receive an email that I had a test with Testing Time. So that is the only issue that I've had with Testing Time. Good luck, guys, with all of these websites. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.